Good day to you children. Today we are going to read and understand lesson 7. We need water. First we are going to start with warm up. Do you remember the following nursery rhyme? Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. So, where did Jack and Jill go to fetch water? Look at the picture here and follow the path Jack and Jill took. See? Here, Jack and Jill went up to the hill. See? And there was a well. From where do you get water in your house? So, from where do you get water from your house? That you have to write here. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn about uses of water and how we can save water. First, we need water. We get water from rain, lakes, springs, ponds, rivers and wells. Okay? So, हमें पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? We get water from rain, बारिश से. ओके, छोटे छोटे नदी से, वेल से, पॉन्ड से. रेन वाटर इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ वाटर. सो विच इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ वाटर? रेन वाटर. ओके, जब बारिश आती है तो हमें कितना सारा पानी मिलता है? वाटर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चिल्ड्रन. वी कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट वाटर. We need water to do many things every day. Like every day we need water, right? For different things. Now we are going to see how we use water in our day-to-day life. First, we need water for drinking. So we need water for drinking. See, this boy is drinking water. Then we need water for cleaning. See, this girl is cleaning the house. Then we need water for washing clothes and utensils. So you can wash the clothes, you can wash your utensils. Then next one is we need water for cooking. Okay, so we need water for cooking. Plants and animals also need water. Children, how we need water? In the same way, plants and animals also need water to live. We must give our pets clean water to drink. Now the pets, animals which we are having at our home, we should give them clean water. We must water the plants around us. Okay, जो भी आपके घर के आसपास plants है, आपके घर पे plants है, you should give them water. Now, did you know we must drink plenty of water in a day to keep हेल्दी. आपको दिन में बहुत सारा पानी पीना चाहिए टू कीप योर सेल्फ हेल्दी. नाउ सेविंग वाटर. चिल्ड्रन, वी शुड सेव वाटर बिकॉज वाटर इज वेरी प्रीशियस फॉर अस. सेविंग वाटर. वी मस्ट नॉट वेस्ट वाटर, राइट? वी शुड नॉट वेस्ट द वाटर. वी मस्ट यूज वाटर केयरफुली. हमें बहुत ध्यान से वाटर को यूज करना चाहिए. Here are some simple ways of saving water. How we can save the water, that we are going to see. Do not keep the tap running when you brush your teeth. Children, when you are brushing your teeth, you should not keep the tap open. Okay, in this way we can save the water. Then avoid using a shower. Okay, आपको shower use नहीं करना है. Use a bucket and a mug. Use a bucket and a mug because in that limited water you can use. And then what you can do? Water which you are drinking, if some water is left, then you can put that water in plants. Now little scientist, water takes the shape of the container it is poured into. Now children see, वाटर को अगर आप ग्लास में रखोगे तो ग्लास के शेप में आ जाएगा. आप कप में रखोगे तो कप के शेप में आ जाएगा. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द रैप. वाटर. द यूजेस ऑफ वाटर. वी यूज वाटर फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, फॉर क्लीनिंग, फॉर वॉशिंग, फॉर कुकिंग. नाउ सेविंग वाटर. टर्न ऑफ द टैप. Avoid using a shower. Use a bucket and a mug to take a bath. So you should use a bucket and a mug to bath. Now we are going to start with evaluate. Fill in the blanks. We drink water when we are thirsty. Second, we must not waste water. Then third, we use water to cook our food. Then B, strike out the wrong words in each sentence. We use water to bath or sleep, so we use water to bath. Sleep is a wrong word. Second, animals and plants need or do not need water, so plants and animals need water, so do not need is a wrong answer. Third, we get water from rain or from drains, so we get water from rain, okay, so drain is the wrong option. C, answer in one or two words. First, name one way in which you use water in kitchen. So we use water for washing, washing utensils, and for cooking. Name two living things that need water. So, plant and animal. Plants and animals. D, answer in one sentence. This I am going to give in your notebook. Now get busy. Tick the things that we cannot do without water and cross the ones we can do without water. So इसमें हमें क्या करना है? We have to tick the things that we cannot do without water. Means हमें पानी के बिना वो नहीं कर सकते. And we have to cross the things that we can do without water. Okay? So, we need water to bath? Yes. We need water to cook food? Yes. Now, for doing this, we need water? No. Put a cross. For washing clothes, we need water? Yes. For playing, we need water? No. Okay? So, children, we are done with our lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson as well as the matter. Thank you, children. See you soon.